Today's unboxing. Mcpherson's Stella Dream Scout series. There are 24 blind boxes in this case. We shall open.
23?
This is our second in mini series from Kidrobot that we've been waiting on eagerly. Smells so good. Got the pink elephant. The pink elephant's 2 and 24. You got the girl with the messed up eyeballs. She's 1 and 24. What's her name? What's her name?
What?
The pink Orion. The pink elephant.
She didn't stay.
I do like the layout so I want to keep them in order, I guess not. Cool. Got Rainbow Scout, Skullflower. Where's your box? Let's keep in the box. Let's see.
What?
Keep in the box. So there's separate accessory.
Can you take them out? The repeats.
Got another Rainbow Scout with Skullflower. So those are, I believe, 2 and 24, and the elephants are 2 and 24. What is that? Get another polar bear. I like his heart's cut out there. Borealis. He's 3 and 24, so hopefully we'll get one less of him and one more Chase, you know what I'm saying? That pink whale. That pink whale.
Cosmos. Need some more?
Jesus Christ, 3 pink whales.
This is the other Rainbow Scout 5-flower. Or wait, is it? No, it's just one of those?
What?
Oh no, she's right the other way.
It should be the other one then.
Yeah, the other one.
One more whale than I would like.
Ooh. Ace.
polar bear. We really like these 3 and 24s in this case.
Another ace. My space is kind of messed up. What is ace?
2 and 24. That's a mountain.
It's the happy one.
Mystery Mountain.
We got one too.
Seems like they put them all fairly together. Umi? Got an Umi? Let's see. 2 and 24.
Ooh. Got the pink one. Let's see. There's 1 and 24.
Callisto, the panda. Boop. Boop. Panda's 1 and 24. Got that chase! The chase! Floating head chase! Boop, boop. Makes up for the crappy 3 and 24s. Old George. Good old George the vampire. Doesn't stand. George is drunk. Hey George. Don't fail me now. Alright, George is laying down. I'm going with George. Probably George. George. Maybe George will stand this time. Oh, George. Let me just. There you go. George can stand each other. Alright, there you have it. We surely found the 3 and 24 case. Floating head, I don't know her name, is. What's her name? Waterfall?
No.
What is it? What's floating head? Namaka?
Sure.
Floating head is a 1 in 48. The rest are all just normal ratios. I wish we would have gotten a white whale. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. That was rude. That was rude. Bye.
Oh.